In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your chess.com password. Keeping your account secure is essential, and updating your password from time to time is a simple way to protect your games, your history, and your personal settings. I'll walk you through the process clearly and give you helpful tips along the way so you feel confident from start to finish. First, go to chess.com in your web browser. Make sure you're on the official site, and if you're not already signed in, the site will prompt you to log in before you can continue. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right corner of the screen for your profile avatar or the gear icon. That gear icon represents settings, and that's where we're headed next. Open Settings. This is the hub for all your preferences, from notifications to privacy. Inside Settings, find and select the section labeled Account. Depending on updates to the site, it might be called Account or Account and Security, but you're looking for the place where password options are available. In the Account section, you'll see the fields to change your password. Click into the New Password field and type your new password. Aim for something strong and unique that you haven't used elsewhere. A good guideline is at least 12 characters with a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Consider using a memorable passphrase that combines random words and punctuation. Avoid anything easy to guess, like common words, simple patterns, or personal details. Next, retype your password in the Confirm or Retype Password field. This double check ensures there aren't any typos. Take a moment to verify capitalization and avoid accidental spaces at the beginning or end. If you're using a password manager, let it generate and store a strong password for you to reduce the risk of mistakes. When both fields match, click Save. The site will process your change and display a confirmation message. You might be asked to sign in again with your new password. That's normal and helps verify the change. If you're using chess.com on multiple devices, be aware that some sessions may require you to log in again using your updated password. And that's it. Done. Your password is now updated. For best practices, keep your new password private and store it somewhere secure, like a reputable password manager. If you want to strengthen your security even further later on, you can explore enabling two-factor authentication in your account settings. Thanks for watching and enjoy your next game with the peace of mind that your account is more secure.